Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yep, yeah, I'm back again. I'm back again. Okay, sorry guys. Sorry I'm looking like this, guys. Like I've just been inside and I don't feel like doing it. I feel like styling my hair, so that's why I'm doing this video. And I want to really appreciate everybody that actually watched my last video. Like, you guys are the best, guys. Like, I can't do this without you guys. Like, you guys are the best. Like, I love you guys so much. I love you. So today's video is going to be about my hair. It's going to be on hair tutorial, how I sleek my 4C hair, how I sleek this hair. So without further ado, let's go right into before we start, we need to actually have to put our hair. I have to put it into sections, unless we'll not be able to, because my hair is really very, like, it's very stubborn. So what I'll be using my water, makes my hair soft as well. So guys, put it into sections. Once you've added water to the hair, I'll be using my virgin hair cream and my dark hair cream. I love the grease so much because it really makes my hair, because my hair is a 4C type of hair, so it doesn't really, like, it gets dry easily. So I used to use that to make it moisturize. Like, I used to moisturize my hair a lot. So for my gel, I'm going to using my Eco Styler gel. Like, guys, I love this Eco Styler gel. My hand is greasy that way, so I'm going to use my Eco Styler gel. Like, I have like the big size. So it's to lay my edges. So I'm going to use this got to be, you can see, I don't even know why it's not concentrated. Got to be. I have to make it slick. If you don't have this, you can use a scarf, anything you have, guys. And we will be right back. Yes. So guys, after 30 minutes, I done my makeup and now, so guys, like this is the hair, it's my circular hair. Fine. Guys, see? So for you can actually go out like this if you want to, but for me, I'm going to put in an extension then. So I'm going to be using this extension. It has 2 clips. So guys, so this is how I actually brought down that heavy loaded hair on my head before, and you can see I will actually slick my 40 hair down to get this lovely hairdo. You can always try this if you want to go to work or you just want to go for just an outing, just a get together, anything. You can just do this hairstyle. So guys, let me know your opinion. Please comment down below. I want you to subscribe to my channel. I want you to like, I want you to share, and please comment and share this. Share. Comment down below. Just comment anything you want me to, the videos you want me to post, like things you want me to do. You guys can actually comment it down below. And I hope you guys love this. Yeah, I am in love with this, like guys, like I'm in love with this hair. Like I look so different, I look so fine. I'm a fan girl. So you guys can also try this hairdo. So love you guys. Bye.